hola, namaste. I hope everybody is doing fine and welcome back to Learning Our Cube. Today is the grand finale and we're going to be learning our third layer today. There are going to be a few extra additional formulas and they're a little bit hard, but I'm sure all of you are really smart and you can crack it. Let's get started. After solving two layers, your cube should look like this. 2 lines of orange, 2 lines of blue, 2 lines of red, 2 lines of green, and 1 full white face. And guys, if you're still learning the first layer and the second layer, my videos are somewhere in the top, so please look at them and then come back to this video. The third layer formulas. So our first formula is going to be our yellow cross formula, and if you recall from the first video, you might remember the hot cross buns and the white cross. But we're not going to be doing the flower method, we're going to be doing this new formula. Before we start doing the formula, you're going to need to look at the top layer. I want you to see what type of shape you have. So if you see, I have this kind of Z shape or like an L shape right here. You might have a dot or a line or a complete cross. So many people have the L shape at first, but you might have a dot. If you have the dot, just do this formula and you'll get the L shape or the Z. So if you have the Z, what you need to do is you need the Z facing you or the L facing you like this. So what we do is now our formula. So Fi, front layer to the left, R, right layer to the top, U, top layer to the left, Ri, right layer to the bottom, Ui, top layer to the right, and then F, front layer to the right. As you see now, we have the line. Now if I do this again, we're going to get the cross. So we're going to do it again. And when you have the line, you can either keep it like this or like this. Never keep it like the line is vertical. So we're going to do it now. Fi, R, U, Ri, Ui, F. And now we see we have our cross. And guys, if you practice this more, you'll be able to do it faster. The next step is to get all our middle pieces in the right places. So if you see, if I turn this top layer, I don't get all of them matched, but some of them are matched. So if we do this formula, we're going to get all of them matched. I want you guys to check to see how many pieces are already matched with their center pieces. For me, it's only these 2 pieces matched. Or if I turn like this, these 2 pieces matched. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the formula to get them both adjacent. And if I do the formula again, I'm going to have all of them matched. If you already have 2 pieces adjacent, please wait until this is over. So R, right layer to the top, U, top layer to the left, Ri, right layer to the bottom, U, top layer to the left, R, right layer to the top, Ui, 2, so 2 times, top layer to the right twice, and then Ri, right layer to the bottom. If you see now, I have these 2 adjacent. So the blue is here and the red is here. So these 2 are adjacent. So if I do the formula again, I'm going to have all the pieces there. So, and guys, now if you have it adjacent, we do the formula again. So R, right layer to the top, U, top layer to the left, Ri, right layer to the bottom, U, top layer to the left, R, right layer to the top, Ui2, top layer to the right twice, and then Ri, right layer to the bottom. Now if I turn it, you can see all the pieces are matching. The corner piece match formula. So in this formula, as you can see, the middle pieces are already matched. So we're going to have to match the corner pieces too, right? So when I mean match the corner pieces, I mean like, so this one is the green and this is red. You can see this is red and yellow, but this is blue. So we need this piece to come over here. So we get it there and then there. So using this formula, we get it there. And just like the second layer formula, it has 2 sides, the right side and the left side. So depending on which piece you want to move where, you can use the right side or the left side. If you look, I have this piece which is blue and orange. So we're going to do this left side formula to get it over here. So if you look, this is orange, blue, and yellow, and this is orange, blue, and yellow. So I need to get it over here. So what we do is the left side of the corner piece match formula. So Li, turn the left letter to the top. Ui, turn the top letter to the right. R, turn the right letter to the top. U, turn the top letter to the left. L, turn the left letter to the bottom. U, turn the top letter to the left. And then Ri, turn the right letter to the bottom. And if I do that, and after that, we need to turn the top letter to the right again. And if you see, now the blue, orange, and yellow piece is now where it actually should belong. Now if you look now, I have this other piece which is red, green, and yellow. And if you see, this is blue, red, and yellow. And I need to move the piece over here. So what we do is we need to do the right side of this formula. So R, turn the right letter to the top. Ui, turn the top letter to the right. Li, turn the top left letter to the top. U, turn the top letter to the left. Ri, turn the left letter to the bottom. Ui, turn the top letter to the right. And then L, turn the left letter to the bottom. And now if I turn the top letter to the left, again, you can see this one's matched. And then this one's matched. And you can see this one's already matched. And then this already matched. So now, if we do the last formula, we turn these pieces, we can solve the whole cube. And guys, if you do the formula, you might not get it in one try. So let's see. For example, I had this piece not matching. So I would do the formula to get it over there. And then I would still not have all the pieces matching. So we do it to the other piece. And then we keep on doing it until we see all the pieces are in the right spots. And of course, our last formula is the corner piece turn, which is also known as RIDIRD, as you recognize from the first layer video. So to do it, first we find a piece that is not currently turned properly. So if you see mine, this one is not currently turned properly. So what I do is RIDIRD, RIDIRD. And now you can see this piece is up here. And after that, we turn the top layer to the left to see if this one is matched. This one's matched in the correct, this one's in the correct place. This is not, so we're going to do the RIDIRD method again. RD, RIDIRD, RD, RIDIRD, RIDIRD. And so if you turn all the places, you can see the cube is now all matching. I'm going to do a few more of the corner pieces turns to see to better make it understandable. And this is alternate case 1. As you can see, I have these two like this now. So, and guys, if you change the formula or do anything, the whole cube is going to get messed up. So please do RIDIRD correctly. So now you can see this one is solved. Go to next alternative. Alternate case 2. As you see, I've matched all of them, but none of them are turned the right way. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to RIDIRD. That's done. Turn to the left. And then last one. As you can see, I did that in the 4 corners, and now we have the whole cube solved. Now you all know how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and through this awesome journey on how to solve it. You have now successfully solved the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And guys, if you have any questions about how to solve the Rubik's Cube, I'm available on my YouTube video. If you just comment, I'll be able to help you. And please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Bye-bye.